Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss explain page of the Indian Express newspaper dated 1st June 2020. Today's article is related to space. The heading reads A New Era in Space Exploration. Subheading says SpaceX Crew Dragon has launched two NASA astronauts at the International Space Station, making the first human space flight with private collaboration. What does it signal for the future of space exploration? So, this is the article. Let's move to the first introduction paragraph. So, this is introduction paragraph. It says two American astronauts flew to International Space Station's world's only space-based laboratory located about 400 km from Earth. It is first time astronaut use spaceship built and launched by private company. Astronaut names Robert Vehkin and Douglas Hurley. Spaceship name Crew Dragon built by SpaceX. Elon Musk's head of Tesla Motors. Rocket in which they took the flight name Falcon 9. So this is the basic information of the flight. The first question reads, what's the big deal? So answer is, after 9 years, it is first flight of its astronaut on an American spaceship launched on American soil. In a period of 30 years, that is from 1981 to 2011, NASA used 5 spaceships under its Space Shuttle program. Under this, 135 journeys in space and International Space Station has been made by them. Out of these spaceships, 2 were destroyed. That is Challenger 1986 and Columbia in 2003, in which Kalpana Chawla and 6 other astronauts were died. After this incident, US government decided to close Space Shuttle program. The remaining 3 spaceships formally retired in July 2011. The name of the spaceships are Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour. NASA hitch rides on Russian spaceship to travel to ISS by paying millions of dollars every trip. Therefore, it was decided to help and support private company to build a spaceship that can be hired by other agency as well. For example, NASA collaborate with SpaceX and Boeing also, and this reduce dependence on foreign country and result in cheaper flight to ISS by NASA and American astronauts. The next heading reads private participation so far. So in this paragraph they are basically talking about the significance of private player in space sector. So it says involvement of private company is not new, that is in space sector. World over many space work has been carried out with collaboration with private company, like building ship, launch services, etc. being provided by private companies. Virgin Galactic of Richard Branson already made space flight and hope soon offer passenger ride to space. Basically this meaning is this company will offer common people, basically those who are fit for the flight, not a child, not a too old man, who can pay for it. They will offer you a service that you can fly to the space for a short period of time and then return to the earth. So they are hoping for this. Even last year, Scaled Composites company become the first private spacecraft to offer ride to human being for a very short duration. Many private company available in India too to collaborate with ISRO in building ship, in fabricating components that can goes into making rocket and satellites. So here you can see in last paragraph they are just saying there are several that have started making satellite for their own use and for their clients. However, launch service including the building of rocket or launch vehicle just like GSLV, PSLV, to take the satellite into space. This somewhat something that is still some distance away in India right now. So basically they are saying the ISRO is not having too much collaboration with private entrepreneurs in this field, while ISRO has been collaborating more and more with private industries. The capacity to independently carry out even routine space mission like one that SpaceX or Boeing or Virgin Galactic have been undertaking frequently and has been missing in India. So basically they are saying the significance of private participation. This paragraph also become important because in relief package launched by our finance minister, there was one factor is like privatization. All little window is providing for private entrepreneurs in the field of ISRO also. So this is become important for exam perspective view. The next heading reads window to the future. So they are basically saying what is the future of private players in space sector, and if the private players come into the space sector, what would be the international space agencies coordination and cooperation with each other. Let's see. For Sunday's flight, that is the flight in which the astronaut went to the ISS in private companies manufactured spacecraft. That is on Sunday flight, space has highlighted or underlined or just clear one thing is that space research and exploration is not now much more collaborative enterprise than before. Space agency of different country nowadays not only sharing data and resources but also increasing joint mission by getting together, just like in our mission to main mission to space, that is in Gaganyaan. India is taking help of other space agency also, so they are talking joint mission togetherness. ISS is an example of space cooperation in space sector. Space facility is set to retire by 2028, and its replacement being planned to have participation of at least 10 countries, and maybe private players can be invited in this too. Space agencies need to direct their energy and resources toward scientific research and deep space exploration. It has been 50 years since landing on Moon, and many more missions like landing on Mars and other celestial bodies are being planned. And such mission required huge amount of financial resources that most of the space agencies of the world are lacking today, where private players expected to infuse fresh investment. Along with this, technology innovation will help or benefit everyone. So this is overall the article. It's a short article today, and it's a very good points has been given in this article, and along with this a small video clipping of this launch has been providing in the description. You can see that also. Thank you.